Lockhart, and I'm a serial entrepreneur who loves God and who loves helping people. Let's hop straight into the video. I went raw vegan for 5 days. Let me tell you about my experience. So, just a little backstory about me. I'm a serial entrepreneur, but I also still work a job. I am a postal worker. So I work outside, I work in the elements every day. It's hot, the temperature, I'm in Texas, so the temperature varies, it gets hot, so it's challenging. What I can say is going raw vegan was extremely challenging for me, and I do want to attribute it part ways to my job, but I did do it for 5 days. There was a lady that I was watching on YouTube. She's been a raw vegan for 17 years. And looking at her body type, I completely believe her. So I know that it's very possible and it's very doable. But my issue, I really feel like it's my job. And looking at her life and how she operates, it doesn't look like she works a job. It looks like she's a full-time influencer. She's completely in control of her life. I feel like when you decide to become a raw vegan, it really may be challenging depending on your work schedule, your work environment, your family obligations. All of those things will play a part in you surviving as a raw vegan. So what helped me survive 5 days, because I still feel like that was excellent on my behalf, because I was carrying mail, I was taking care of my daily duties, but I think the number one thing that helped me was juicing. If you're considering becoming a raw vegan, juicing is so vital. Juicing for not just 1 or 2 days, I juiced for several days, at least about 4 days. I had enough juice to last me several times a day, not just like one serving, but like for me to have like 3 to 4 juices that I prepared a day for like 4 days. And of course, you have to be careful because a lot of that spoils a lot faster than regular food. But I feel like being prepared in that way was what helped sustain me. Now my dilemma is I'm still on my vegan fast right now. I have not eaten any meat. I haven't eaten any eggs, no poultry, no fish. I've eaten none of those items. I haven't even eaten any white bread, any white rice. I had to stop the raw vegan. I've been cooking my vegetables again. I did feel much more energized and much more refreshed on the raw vegan fast. I felt the inside of me felt a lot more electrified than cooking my vegetables, but my energy level was so low. The day that I ended my vegan fast, I literally felt like I was gonna pass out. And speaking of passing out, ooh, it's this waist trainer, y'all. Let me take this waist trainer off. I said the only way for me to have a flat stomach is wearing a waist trainer, but I feel like I was almost gonna pass out wearing that waist trainer. But let me finish this video. Really, I feel like being a raw vegan is a tangible thing. You just have to be more in control of your day, your schedule, because there are times when you're gonna feel weak and you're gonna wanna sit down and take a break. So I feel like being a raw vegan is very doable. One of the easiest things that helped me to overcome being a raw vegan was making Brussels sprout juice. Juicing Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are a vegetable that have protein in them. It's vegetable protein, but I felt so energized on the day that I had the Brussels sprouts. Now, the thing about the Brussels sprouts is they stink. They have the most atrocious smell. I literally had to throw my lunch bag away because I wasted some of the Brussels sprout juice in the bag, and it was so stinking. I was like, oh my God, this smells like a garbage. I don't want to be walking around and I got people working next to me, and I don't want them to be like, oh, it smelled like a poot. That's what it smelled like. And I was just like, it's good that it made me feel good, but the smell, I don't want to walk around having an odor, especially if you waste some and if it wastes in your lunch bag. So overall, the raw vegan fast was by far one of my greatest experiences in fasting, but it was very challenging. I do plan on doing it again. I just have not had the energy to do it. I'm still on my Daniel fast, which I'm planning to complete within the next week. This is day 15. Stay tuned. I have another video coming out that's going to talk to you guys about me being vegan for 15 days. So yeah, if you're considering being a raw vegan, I would suggest that you get a juicer and that you juice, and you do it and start off at a time when you're in control of your schedule. So I pray that was helpful for you guys. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know if you're gonna go raw vegan. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, have a blessed one.